Hello friends, good day to you or wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Alright, as you all know that LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is started with the responsibility of sharing with you online financial education. So I do review on online investment platforms to let you know if it's legit or another scam in disguise. As we all know that there is a need for everyone to diversify our economy, and due to the level of insecurity in the financial world, so there's the reason for you to have multiple sources of income. And right now I will be doing a video on Cjonstyle investment platform, and I'll be doing a sincere review on it and giving you my own recommendation. So start making money online through Cjonstyle investment platform. Is it a scam or a legit platform whereby you can make money online in 2022? Alright, but before I go deep into this video, I would like to let you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. For that reason, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of the next update. Okay, and if you found this video to be very meaningful, helpful and useful to you at the end, then don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family for them also to benefit from the information that you have just received. And feel free to browse to the channel because there are several videos that have been done in the past on how you can earn money for yourself online. And also, if you have any investment platform that you feel you want to give a try, then you can send it to me to do a review on it, and I'm going to give you my recommendation so that you can know how to take your final decision on it. And mind you, any of the opportunity that is shared here, you also need to do your own personal and due diligent research before you venture into it, because you need to be responsible for your action. Okay, because LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is just for financial education and not for financial advice. All right, quickly, let's go to the business of the day. Cjonstyle investment platform, is it legit or a scam? Is it legit or a scam? So right now, let me take you to the platform here. All right, so this is Cjonstyle platform. So whenever you are investing online, there are some things that you need to consider. Anything that has to do with financial operation, you know, there are several things that you need to consider. Even this site is not very attractive enough. It's not very attractive, but that doesn't mean. So no, the first thing that you need to know about a business is that you need to know what they are really into. That is, what is the operation? Are they selling? Are they buying? Are they trading? What are they doing? But it is quite unfortunate that it is not well explained here. So we don't know what this particular platform, what they are doing to get the return on investment that they promise their potential investors. So in Cjonstyle here, we don't know what they are really doing. Are they into cryptocurrency? Are they into forex? Are they into any physical business or whatever? But there's nothing like that. We don't have the full information here. And another thing to consider is that you need to know about the team behind that business. That is, the people behind the business. We need to know their identity. That is where they are, how we can contact them in case there is any question you need to ask about the business that you are about to venture into. But as I said earlier, there is the identity is somehow anonymous. So we don't have any means of identification. There is no team behind this business. So it is somehow alarming. Though, as I do say in my video, there are things that you just need to risk and there are things that you don't need to risk. Though life is full of risk and it is meant for the risk taker, but nevertheless you need to take a calculated risk. You don't just jump because you can jump, and you don't leap before you need to look before you leap. So these are the things that you need to consider whenever you are going into any online investment platform. So for this Cjonstyle, this site is somehow alarming. LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is not a government organization or a body that we call a platform legit or a style or a scam. I will only do my own sincere review on it, and I will let you know my stand, so you are the one to decide what you want to do. Okay, but as for me, I don't think I can invest a dime in this platform because of the listed because of the things that I've said about them. So it's not so legit for me to venture into this. So we have several buttons here: company profile. CJ Group was established in 1953 and is headquartered in Seoul, that is South Korea. It's a large multinational company. It is a Fortune Global 500. You can read all this on your own. Actually, I read about this, so you can read about this one on your own. So I don't really have a concrete information. There is no concrete thing that I can point to that this is the basis of the operation. So you can read through this because I don't like this video to be very, very lengthy. Okay, and let's check the promotional reward. Okay, investment on this platform opens a 3-level generational model. The third level means that the agent can get the commission share of the third level and the parts. So this is more of a Ponzi scheme to me. It is more of a Ponzi scheme whereby it's like a pyramid. People at the top, they tend to earn more than people at the down, and it's eventually crashed and thousands of dollars will be lost. So I don't want any of my viewers or any of my subscribers to fall victim of something like this. So beginner tutorial. Because the amount of recharge information is too large, please check the account card. The dispatch amount is 10% to 50% of the platform. So the information here is not concrete enough, it's not well analyzed. So whenever you are putting your money online, these things need to be considered. It needs to be greatly considered. So even the site is not attractive. It doesn't look like it doesn't look like an investment platform to me, because I've come in contact with many investment online platforms. So but this one is somehow strange, somehow it looks odd. So but according to what I said earlier, the web design doesn't really matter, provided they have something to offer. Okay, so now you are to deposit. When you deposit, you will so I don't want to take much of our time concerning this video because I already let you to know my stand. I personally, I can't endorse this, I can't recommend it, and I can't invest my last kobo here. But if after you have done your own research and you found it to be something that you can give a risk, then you can go ahead. But just know that you need to put what you can afford to lose. Okay, don't put your money for rent, don't put your money for food, for other basic amenities. Just put what you can afford to lose. So this is my advice concerning this investment platform. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to put an end to it. But before I go, I'd like to tell you that once again, this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, share with your friends and family so that you can save someone from being scammed, you can save someone from being defrauded of their hard-earned money. Okay, so that is all I have for you in this video. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead, and once again I say compliment of the season to you all. Bye for now.